What's up, people? Welcome back to Invest with T-Cause. My name is Tevi, and this channel is dedicated to my investment journey, along with coverage on crypto, Tesla, Neo, Virgin Galactic, and ChargePoint. Come for the information and stay for the perspective. So another week, and if you were paying attention to the market, you more than likely get a solid case of whiplash. We were down at the start of the week, then up for a bit, only to close the week kind of like this. And that, of course, is all thanks to headlines like these here around inflation, rate hikes, and all the geopolitical stories. The only good news here is that the stocks I'm invested in have already corrected by 15, 20% or greater, right? So they're not being impacted as much. So as I said, we're in solid buy territory if you've got the funds. In my opinion, the stock market will sort itself out over the next few weeks once the sell the rally mentality breaks and there's more clarity from the macro view. So I really wouldn't worry about it at this point. Now, what I do want to talk about today is crypto, NFTs, and how that ties back to the biggest sporting event in the US and arguably one of the top 3 biggest in the world. I'm of course talking about the Super Bowl, or shall we say CryptoBowl as some have dubbed it. So today's video focus will be on a major crypto adoption story that dropped this week, then touch on what we know will be on full display during the Super Bowl, and along the way speculate a bit about what this could mean for the crypto space and NFTs moving forward. I'll try to keep the video fairly short today so that we can all get to the festivities. As always, I'd recommend watching all the way through so you don't miss out on any pertinent information I'll be sharing. Drop the video an early like if you haven't already, and hit that subscribe button. Those are 2 easy ways to show your support to the channel and help it grow if you appreciate the content. All right, let's get into it. Earlier this week, KPMG, one of the big 4 accounting firms, announced that it has officially added both Ethereum and Bitcoin to its balance sheet. That is huge. And the big 4 consist of KPMG, PwC, Ernst & Young or EY, and Deloitte. I've covered EY last year, selecting Polygon as its main scaling solution for its internal blockchain program. And for context, the reason why we care about the big 4 involvement with crypto is because they essentially offer consultation services to every major company globally, right? You can check out my previous video on EY and Polygon here. Now, going back to KPMG, let's talk about the why behind this move. They said in their Monday announcement, and I quote, "Institutional adoption of crypto assets and blockchain technology will continue to grow and become a regular part of the asset mix," end of quote. Well, obviously the industry is maturing, right? And with more regulatory clarity just around the corner, more and more people and organizations alike are paying attention. They go on to say, and I quote, "Investors such as hedge funds and family offices to large insurance and pension funds are increasingly gaining exposure to crypto assets, and traditional financial services such as banks, financial advisors, and brokerages are exploring offering products and services involving crypto assets," end of quote. And so it's not too surprising, right, when you consider the explosive pace of adoption we saw from 2020 to 2021. And according to studies, some believe that we are on track to reach 1 billion users worldwide by 2023. Therefore, it makes sense that KPMG is recognizing the opportunity and investing and positioning itself to capture that exponential growth they expect to see in DeFi, NFTs, and the metaverse over the next few years. One way to spread the word and bring awareness to the space is of course by capitalizing on large global scale events like the Super Bowl, right? Keep in mind that we're expected to see 100 million views in the US alone. Major crypto exchanges are expected to debut their commercials, and so you have FTX who will be giving away the equivalent amount in Bitcoin for the time their ad actually runs. So the later it runs, the higher the giveaway. The Crypto.com ad with Matt Damon will be in full display, and let's not forget about Coinbase, who we know will debut a commercial, but no details have been provided so far. But my guess would be that with the new NFT marketplace that they're looking to launch pretty soon here, this would be the perfect opportunity to bring some attention to it. After all, it was just last month that Coinbase announced a partnership with MasterCard, right? Obviously, the goal of that partnership is simply to make it super easy for the average person to buy and sell NFTs on their new marketplace without what could be seen as the hassle of setting up a crypto wallet. Ultimately, this is what you should consider. Pepsi, which sponsors their halftime show, has already released their own NFT mic drop collection. I was fortunate enough to score one of them and feeling pretty good about it. But both Snoop Dogg and Eminem, who will be performing during the halftime, are big influencers in the NFT space. Budweiser will also be debuting an NFT commercial as a result of their partnership with NownDAO, which is an NFT project. So while the mainstream media might be telling you that we are in a crypto winter and that NFTs are highly speculative, which to some extent they are because, again, not every collection will make it big, don't lose sight of the fact that OpenSea, which is the largest NFT trading platform, recorded its highest trading volume to date with $5 billion in sales just last month. That is ridiculously high. I know I've said this before, but it's certainly worth repeating again. Whether it's the sell-off in the equity markets or the crypto space, many retail and institutional investors alike made a significant amount of money last year, right? And so gains are being locked in. That's pretty normal. Now, because I'm not a financial advisor and I'm certainly not here to tell you what to do, instead, I'll tell you what I'm personally doing for perspective. In the crypto space, my 3 highest conviction assets are Ethereum, Polygon, and Bitcoin. Why Bitcoin? Well, it's pretty simple. It's because of a clear acceptance and continued adoption as a store of value at a corporate level. And as far as Polygon and Ethereum, it's because DeFi, NFTs, and all things Metaverse are being powered and built primarily within those ecosystems. There are, of course, other great opportunities like Cardano, for example, especially with a steep correction back to the $1 mark. That said, we're not going to stay at these lower levels that much longer. I mean, Ethereum, Bitcoin, and Polygon have already erased most of the losses from January. At the end of the day, the best time to accumulate assets is when sentiment is low and we're seemingly trading sideways. It is not when we're hitting record highs after record highs after record highs each week. And on that note, I'll leave it here for today. Hope you all have a great time watching the Super Bowl. Even if you don't care about it from the football aspect of things, the crypto investor in you should really consider paying attention here. Enjoy the show from wherever you are in the world. I personally will be watching from my couch in the Metaverse. If you get bored during the game, feel free to follow the links in the description below and come tour my newly decorated space. Also, don't forget to drop the video a like if you enjoy the content and share with others who you think could benefit from it. For my newcomers, subscribe and don't forget to ring the notification bell so that you stay in the know. As a reminder, I post every Sunday, and as time allows, I target 1 additional in-week video for more crypto-focused content. Thank you for watching, stay humble, hustle hard, and I'll see you in the next one.